Welcome to the instructions video for the Inventory Turnover COGS Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you determine how efficiently your business sells and replaces inventory by using your cost of goods sold and average inventory values to calculate your turnover ratio. To use this calculator, you'll need two key values. First, enter your cost of goods sold, which is the total cost of inventory you've sold during the period. For our example, let's enter $500,000. Next, enter your average inventory value, which is typically calculated by adding your beginning and ending inventory and dividing by 2. We'll enter $100,000 for this example. Once you click Calculate, the tool will display your inventory turnover ratio. In our example, the result is 5, meaning your inventory turns over 5 times per year. A higher number generally indicates better inventory management and stronger sales performance. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.